Hello everyone, welcome to Weekly Current Affair Quiz. Let's start today's quiz. First question is, which of the following countries is not a member of the International Center for Integrated Mountain Development, that is ICIMOD? Sri Lanka, Bangladesh, Bhutan or Myanmar? The correct answer is option A, Sri Lanka. The ICIMOD in its Snow Update Report 2024 has highlighted a notably low snow persistence in the Hindu Kush Himalayas this year. The Hindu Kush Himalayas stretch over 3,500 kilometers and span across 8 countries: Afghanistan, Bangladesh, Bhutan, China, India, Nepal, Myanmar and Pakistan. Next question, what index value does the BCNN calculate to determine ENSO phases? ENSO 3.4, NINO 3.4, SST 3.4 or Pacific 3.4? The correct answer is option B, NINO 3.4. The Bayesian Convolutional Neural Network or BCNN leverages artificial intelligence, deep learning and machine learning to improve forecast related to ENSO phases. BCNN calculates the NINO 3.4 index value. Next question, which architecture from India has been shortlisted for the Prix Vese Award 2024? Smriti Van, Jagrit Van, Shanti Van or Vibhuti Van? The correct answer is option A, Smriti Van. Recently, the Smriti Van Earthquake Memorial Museum has been shortlisted for the prestigious Prix Vese Award 2024. Smriti Van has been listed among the 7 most beautiful museums in the world by Prix Vese. Smriti Van is situated in Bhuj, Kutch district of Gujarat. Next question, what is the name of the IAF's first multinational air exercise set to be held in August 2024? Garud Shakti, Vajr Shakti, Tarang Shakti or Varun Shakti? The correct answer is option C, Tarang Shakti. The Indian Air Force is set to host its first multinational air exercise Tarang Shakti in August 2024. The exercise will be conducted in 2 phases. The first will be held in southern India and the second will be held in the western sector. Next question, which constitutional amendment limited the strength of the Council of Ministers to 15% of the Lok Sabha? 42nd, 61st, 71st or 91st? The correct answer is option D, 91st. Article 74 of the Constitution provides for a Council of Ministers headed by the Prime Minister to aid and advise the President. Further, Article 75 mandates that the size of this council should not exceed 15% of the strength of the Lok Sabha or the House of the People. Next question, where is the 67th Global Environment Facility Council meeting being held? New York, Brazil, Geneva or Washington? The correct answer is option D, Washington. The 67th Global Environment Facility or GEF Council meeting being held in Washington will be allocating $736.4 million towards environmental protection. Next question, which organization has recently discovered the 3 craters and evidence of water flow on Martian surface? Indian Space Research Organization, Physical Research Laboratory, National Aeronautics and Space Administration or China National Space Administration? The correct answer is option B, Physical Research Laboratory, that is PRL. Recently, 2 craters on Mars have been named after towns in UP and Bihar respectively. The craters were discovered by Ahmedabad's Physical Research Laboratory. Next question, streptococcal toxic shock syndrome or STSS is caused by which bacteria? E. coli, group A streptococcus, staphylococcus or salmonella? The correct answer is option B, group A streptococcus. Japan is experiencing record levels of a dangerous and highly fatal infection known as STSS, that is streptococcal toxic shock syndrome. It is caused by group A streptococcus, a rare flesh-eating bacteria. Next question, which among the following drugs is or are used for the treatment of multi-drug resistant TB? Bedaquiline, isoniazid, rifampicin or all of the above? The correct answer is option A, bedaquiline. Fluoroquinolones, bedaquiline and linezolid are strongly recommended for a longer MDR TB regimen. Next question, which of the following saints led the Satnami movement in Chhattisgarh in the 18th century? Guru Ghasidas, Sant Ravidas, Baba Banarsi Das or Bir Bhan? The correct answer is option A, Guru Ghasidas. Satnam Panth or Satnami Samaj is believed to be an offshoot of the Ravidasiya sect. The Satnami sect was founded by Bir Bhan in 1657 AD in Narnaul district of Haryana. Next question, which among the following countries is not a member of the European Union? United Kingdom, Germany, France or Italy? The correct answer is option A, United Kingdom. Recently, EU Environmental Council has adopted the Nature Restoration Law, marking a significant step forward in environmental conservation. The European Union is a group of 27 countries that operate as a cohesive economic and political bloc. Next question, which technique is being actively promoted by the Punjab government for rice cultivation due to its significant benefits over the traditional puddling method, including reduced water use and faster maturation? System of rice intensification, aerobic rice system, direct seeding of rice or transplanting rice method? The correct answer is option C, direct seeding of rice. The Punjab government is actively promoting the direct seeding of rice technique, also known as the Tarvatar technique, which offers significant benefits over the traditional puddling method. Next question, according to India's national policy on biofuels, which of the following cannot be used as raw materials for the production of biofuels? Sugar beet, rotten potatoes, cassava or horse gram? The correct answer is option D, horse gram. A team of scientists from Assam, Odisha, China and the United Kingdom have developed a water repellent catalyst that can significantly reduce the cost of producing biodiesel. According to India's national policy on biofuels, the raw materials that can be used for the production of biofuels include cassava, damaged wheat grains, rotten potatoes, and sugar beet. Next question, in which century did the Chinese scholars Ai Qing and Xuanzang visited Nalanda? 4th century, 6th century, 7th century or 9th century? The correct answer is option C, 7th century. Recently, PM Modi inaugurated the new campus of Nalanda University in Rajgir, Bihar. The Chinese scholars Ai Qing and Xuanzang visited Nalanda in the 7th century CE. Next question, which two countries collectively possess nearly 90% of the world's nuclear weapons? US and UK, US and Russia, UK and France or India and Pakistan? The correct answer is option B, US and Russia. According to a recent report by CIPRI or the Stockholm International Peace Research Institute, India now ranks 6th among the nuclear-armed states, surpassing Pakistan for the first time in 25 years. Russia and the US collectively possess nearly 90% of the world's nuclear weapons. Next question, when was Initiative on Critical and Emerging Technologies launched? 2020, 2021, 2022 or 2023? The correct answer is option D, 2023. The ICET was announced by India and the USA in May 2022, was officially launched in January 2023 and is being run by the National Security Council of both countries. Next question, what is the rank of India in the recent Energy Transition Index 2024? 52nd, 53rd, 63rd or 67th? The correct answer is option C, 63rd. Recently, the Energy Transition Index 2024 has been released by the World Economic Forum. India has been ranked 63rd globally out of 120 countries. Next question, which of the following country is not a part of the world's largest wetland ecosystem, Pantanal? Bolivia, Brazil, Paraguay or Argentina? The correct answer is option D, Argentina. Recently, a massive fire ravaged the Pantanal, world's largest tropical wetland in Brazil. Pantanal is the world's largest tropical wetland in central western Brazil. Next question, which two ministries entered into a Memorandum of Understanding or MOU for the Krishi Sakhi certification program? Ministry of Agriculture and Farmers Welfare and Ministry of Rural Development, Ministry of Finance and Ministry of Agriculture and Farmers Welfare, Ministry of Rural Development and Ministry of Finance or Ministry of Rural Development and Ministry of Education. The correct answer is option A, Ministry of Agriculture and Farmers Welfare and Ministry of Rural Development. PM Modi presented certificates to more than 30,000 self-help groups under Krishi Sakhi certification in Varanasi on June 18, 2024. Realizing the important role and contribution of women in agriculture and to promote skills of rural women, the Ministry of Agriculture and Farmers Welfare and the Ministry of Rural Development signed an MOU in August 2023. Last question is, which ministry launched the e-flow monitoring system? Ministry of Environment, Forest and Climate Change, Ministry of Jal Shakti, Ministry of Agriculture and Farmers Welfare or Ministry of Science and Technology? The correct answer is option B, Ministry of Jal Shakti. The Union Jal Shakti Ministry has launched an e-flow ecological monitoring system to monitor the Ganga river's quality in real time, aiding project planning and river management. So that's all for today. Do share your scores and reviews about the program. Thanks for watching. For more informative content, like, share and subscribe, and do not forget to press the bell icon to get the notifications.